There's a lot of people, each side coming from this side. So you guys gotta move back. On this side, take a step back. Over here, take a step back.
Everybody move back. Come this way.
Pass it back. Not everyone hears me. Tell the people behind you on this side to move back. Everyone here, move back.
Move left! Move left!
This side, on my right side, you guys gotta move in. Move in. We have a huge crowd here, the big Palestinian flag. They can't come. You're in the way.
Back into the left! Back into the left! Back into the left!
It is time for Gaza in a few minutes. Does everyone hear me? Does everyone hear me? On the left with the Palestinian flag, can you hear me? If you're holding the huge Palestinian flag and you can hear me, wave it.
Yeah!
So first of all, I want to welcome all the infiltrators, all the sabotagers, all of the NYPD intel that we know are joining part of this march today.